Hi, I am Russell. Are you worried about your career as PMI professional? Are you looking to get PMI certified immediately for the CAPM PMI Certified Associate in Project Management exam? Yes, you can do it with the latest and updated CAPM practice test material available with examsempire.com. Step number 1. Just go to the website and type your desired test course code, for example CAPM, in the search box, and download and try its free demo sample to check out the products for free. Step number 2. You can proceed to checkout and access your PMI Certified Associate in Project Management practice exam under your account area, once you have proceeded with the payment. Step number 3. Memorize and practice the accessed material and practice test in a real CAP exam environment to attempt your registered exam. You need to memorize the exam question answers themselves. Step number 4. Go to your registered website to attempt your PMI certification test and enjoy being a certified specialist. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel to grab the latest updates. Visit for more details. www.examsempire.com